jingle all the way. Oh, how fun it is to work at TV10 all day. Hey, hi, I'm Kaylin Schumacher. I'm a BNN reporter, and this week I am going out into campus and seeing what people are doing for Christmas break.
My name is Rashawn Williams.
What's your name?
My name is Kevin.
Kevin, awesome. What are you guys doing for winter break this year?
I'm going to go home, spend time with family, friends, work out a little bit for next football season.
Nice, that sounds like fun. What are you doing?
The same.
The same thing.
And hang out with my friends and family.
Is it like to meet, to go over?
I'm going home.
Home? Where do you live?
I live in Minooka, Illinois. I'm going snowboarding.
Snowboarding? That's so fun. What are you doing?
I'm going to California.
California? Oh my gosh, your winter break sounds a lot more exciting than mine.
I really got to get to a
Okay, that's okay. No problem. He books it as soon as he says no.
I am going to go home and probably do a winter gym class.
Winter gym class? Do you know what class you're going to take?
Environmental chemistry.
Celebrate with my family.
I want to go to IKEA. Is that fun? I'm going to go to France.
You're going to France?
Yeah, I'm going to France in the spring, so I'm going to be preparing.
Preparing for France, going sledding or skiing or anything?
No, just working. I'm going to work. I'm going to go to work.
Working.
Everyone's working. I'm here with my friend Tyler. Tyler, what are you doing for a Christmas break this year?
I'll be with family and then back here for diving practice.
This guy wants to answer a question for TV10. No? Are you sure? Okay, fine.
I am sitting home.
Home? Where's home?
Apple Valley, Minnesota.
Oh. Oh, yay, we love Apple Valley, Minnesota.
Planning a trip, probably.
Cool, planning a trip. That sounds like fun. You want to answer a question for TV10? Okay, fine. Just missing the greatest opportunity of your life.
Probably going sledding.
Sledding! What do you drink at winter? Eggnog, of course. I think your name is Matt, but I think I'm wrong. What's your
Mike.
Mike. Okay, started with an M. This is Mike. He's my friend. What are you doing for winter this break?
Classes.
Classes? You're taking winter classes?
I will be, yeah.
I hope everybody has a happy holidays. For Blue Gold News Now, I'm Kaylin Schumacher. TV10 is coming to town. We're getting our camera, we're getting our mic. We're gonna ask you what you're doing tonight. TV10 is coming to town.